Good morning, retail traders. What a beautiful morning it is here in the Ozarks. Please subscribe to the Sneaky Snake Trading Strategy and ring that bell for future updates. Today I want to bring up Baba, Jack Ma. Jack Ma Jack Ma now has controlling interest. He's running the Ant Group, which is very, very, very good for him and Baba itself. And this is amid a broad rally in the Asian shares. So you could also be looking at a few other stocks that you really appreciate and like in China and in the Asian market. Baidu is an example. There's a few of them. I'll talk about them later, maybe tonight in another video. But him having control of Ant Group is a big deal. And we're going to talk about the stock itself right now and tell you what to look for. Now, this is the yearly chart on the daily, and we've been in an upward trend. We called the bottom down here. It's held support real well for about 2 weeks, down here right around $63. And it broke out of this Darvis box, and then it's been had a nice run ever since, jumping off of these moving averages. And right now we just broke another major resistance, and that's here on the pivot point area. We broke one pivot point right down here at 94.85. And then last week we had a major breakout for the last 3 days of the week. Somebody knew something was up, definitely, and that pivot point's going to be off the top of this candle. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw me a price line all the way across there, right around 104.78. And the funny thing about that is it did break that resistance of this here channel. So this thing's definitely going to go up. Now I have the next target for this stock right now at the next pivot point area, and that's going to be right here, right around the 108.25. That'll break easily today, I think, and run it up to this here candle right here, and that's going to be our target for right now, right around the 112.77. And then the next target's going to be up here at this double top, triple top break. And that's going to be right there at 120.11. So I definitely would go long in this stock to 120.11, knowing that this 104.78 is going to be the support that needs to hold. And that's going to be off this here cup and handle. We had that breakout, pulled back to the top of that cup. She bounced off of it. And now she's broke out of this vertical snake with a double confirmation of a triple top break. And that's going to land you up here to the next resistance level at 112.17 and then 120.11. I see no issue at all of this coming back to the yearly high here by the end of January, or maybe even a bit sooner. And that's going to be Ant. Solid support to hold to maybe get into this trade is going to be no lower than 104.78. Anything below that will be a strong buy, and I'd be looking at that pivot point off of this vertical channel. That's going to be 112.17 to break, or 77. What is that? I want to make sure I call out that right number. 112.77 with a 104.78 support with a resistance long of 120.11. And that's it for my favorite CEO, Jack Ma. I really like this guy. He has one thing that I've always agreed with. It says you're not good until you have a strong surrounding, people that, and it's always been my philosophy in life. Hang around people that succeed and are successful, and you will be successful too if you put your mind to it. And that's what he's done here. He used to be an old school teacher. Now he's one of the richest men in China. And he's done that by having a good surrounding and a good following. Down below, there's a link to this here chart that I was using. It's called a TTM squeeze. Your script to toss, you're welcome to have that. You might have to add a few moving averages to it. I don't know if the 51's on there, EMA, or the 65, but I've added both of them this year or last year, and love trading off them two moving averages. And we have our Discord channel too. You can follow it, join it. It's a free room. And we have a scanner. All I ask every once in a while is for some donations to the scanner to keep it running. Let's have a great week. I'm bullish till the end of January in the market. Maybe even farther than that. We might have a couple good months. Have a great day, retail traders.